This video will show you how to use Microsoft Edge to convert a web page into a PDF that you can then annotate. We will begin by opening our web article in Microsoft Edge. For this video, I will be using a 2026 article published in The Conversation. The Conversation is a nonprofit network of media outlets that publishes research-based articles by academics, researchers, and professional journalists. I like it because most of the articles are authored by people who are experts in their field, and they are also written for an audience of non-specialists. If you look at the webpage, you will see that there are a lot of extra links and icons. If I were on a website like CNN, there would also be a lot of ads. It's pretty easy for me to personally ignore these when I'm reading something online. But if I try to convert this webpage into a PDF as it is, these links and ads will mess with the formatting. To get rid of them, I am going to open this webpage in the Immersive Reader view. To do that, I am going to go to the search field and look for an icon that has 3 dots inside a circle. I will click this icon, and it will pull a drop-down menu with a couple of options. I am going to select Immersive Reader from this menu. This will show the article in the Immersive Reader view. As you can see, most of the extra links and ads have been stripped away, although a few remain. For the most part, I am only shown the article and the images embedded in the article. Now that I have a cleaner version of the article, I am going to use the print command to convert the web page into a PDF. Since I am using a PC, I will type Ctrl+P on my keyboard. If I were using a Mac, I'd type Command+P. This will open a new window with my print options. I want to make sure that my printer is set to Save as PDF. This is important because if you pick a different option, like Print to PDF, you will get a different result. Save as PDF will convert this web page into an editable PDF, which means that you will be able to highlight and manipulate text. Print as PDF will turn it into an image file, which means that you will not be able to highlight or manipulate text. With this in mind, I am going to select Save as PDF and then click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This will open a new window, which asks me where I want to save the document. Please take note of where you are saving the document, so you can find it later when you need to upload it to Blackboard. I am going to select my desktop so that I can easily find it later. After I click Save, the article will download as a PDF, and I will be prompted to open it in Edge. If I am just saving the article, I can stop now. However, if I'm ready to start annotating it, I can go ahead and open it. The next video will show you how to annotate this article.